The KTM 890 SMT is the successor of the legendary KTM 990 SMT, which was discontinued in 2013. The new model picks up where the old one left off, delivering a versatile and thrilling performance package that combines supermoto agility, sport touring comfort, and adventure-ready capability. The KTM 890 SMT is a limited edition model, with only 200 units available worldwide. The KTM 890 SMT has a distinctive and aggressive design that reflects its supermoto heritage. The bike features a double fender design, with a high front fender inspired by the KTM 450 SMR and a lower splash guard connected to the fork leg protectors. The bodywork is sleek and aerodynamic, with spoilers and rear side panels that are slightly wider than the seat for improved control and durability. The bike also has a short wind deflector that provides optimal wind protection while maintaining a sporty look. The frame of the KTM 890 SMT is a tubular chromoly steel frame that uses the engine as a stressed member to reduce weight and size. The frame is designed for sharp handling and stability, with a long swing arm that improves traction without compromising agility. The frame also features a lightweight and solid subframe that can carry a full load of luggage and a passenger. The bike also has a high-end steering damper that keeps the front end stable at any speed. The engine of the KTM 890 SMT is a liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that displaces 889 cc. The engine produces 77 kilowatt of power and 100 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth and responsive acceleration. The engine also features a PSC anti-hopping clutch, a Bosch EMS with RBW, and a 6-speed transmission with an optional quickshifter. The engine is tuned for optimal performance in different riding scenarios, with 4 ride modes to choose from: street, sport, rain, and track. The brakes of the KTM 890 SMT are supplied by J1, a Spanish manufacturer of high-quality braking systems. The bike has twin 320mm brake discs and 4-piston radially mounted calipers at the front, and a single 260mm brake disc and 2-piston floating caliper at the rear. The brakes are equipped with a Bosch 9.1 MP ABS unit that features cornering ABS and supermoto ABS. The cornering ABS allows full braking power mid-corner, while the supermoto ABS allows the rider to lock the rear wheel for slides. The suspension of the KTM 890 SMT is provided by WP Apex, a renowned Austrian suspension brand. The bike has a WP Apex 43 fork at the front and a WP Apex monoshock at the rear, both offering 180mm of suspension travel. The suspension is fully adjustable, with rebound and compression damping adjusters on the top cap of the fork legs and a rebound damping adjuster and a hand adjuster for spring preload on the shock. The suspension can be tailored for different riding styles and situations, from sporty to comfortable. The wheels of the KTM 890 SMT are lightweight, light alloy wheels that measure 17 inches in diameter. The wheels have low levels of unsprung mass, which enhances handling and ride dynamics. The tires of the bike are Michelin Power GP tires, which offer excellent grip and stability on both wet and dry surfaces. The tires are specially designed for sport touring motorcycles, combining performance, durability, and comfort. The TFT display of the KTM 890 SMT is a state-of-the-art full 5-inch TFT display that shows all the relevant information about the bike. The display features improved functionality, with each function illustrated by an infographic of the motorcycle to directly show the user the relevant field of adjustment. The display also has an optically bonded mineral glass display that ensures scratch and glare resistance. Additionally, An optional connectivity unit allows the connection between the KTM Connect app and the TFT via Bluetooth for turn-by-turn navigation, music, incoming calls, and quick access to KTM roadside assistance. The ergonomics of the KTM 890 SMT are designed for optimal rider comfort and movement. The bike has a single-piece Supermoto-style seat that allows uninhibited freedom of movement while providing maximum grip and comfort when carving around mountain passes solo or touring with a pillion. The seat height is 860 mm, which suits most riders. The fuel tank is slim and shaped for precise handling and control when flicking through tight turns or cruising on long stretches. The handlebar is wide and adjustable for different preferences. The KTM 890 SMT is packed with technology that enhances the riding experience and safety. The bike has a KTM MTC, motorcycle traction control system, that uses a 6D inertial measurement unit to regulate and control any slip at the rear wheel and prevent uncontrolled lifting of the front wheel. The bike also has an optional cruise control system that allows the rider to set and maintain a desired speed. The bike also has a demo mode, which allows the user to test all the KTM technology for the first 1,500 kilometers. The price of the KTM 890 SMT is not yet announced for the US market, but it is expected to be over $14,000. The bike retails for £12,499 in Britain, which makes it $900 and $500 more than the KTM 890 Duke R and 890 Adventure, respectively. The KTM 890 SMT is a versatile and thrilling motorcycle that combines supermoto agility, sport touring comfort, and adventure-ready capability. The bike has a distinctive and aggressive design, a powerful and smooth engine, a sharp and stable frame, a fully adjustable suspension, a state-of-the-art TFT display, a range of rider aids, and a high level of seat comfort. The bike is a great choice for riders who want to have fun on any road and any occasion.